Hello, what's up guys? After some updates on Instagram, it is difficult to save photos and videos you take on Instagram to your gallery. In this video, I will teach you the fastest and easiest way to automatically save photos and videos that you take on the Instagram camera, both from stories and posts. To get started, open up the Instagram, and then tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings. When you scroll down, you will see the option of archiving and downloading. Simply tap on it. On the next page, you will see Saving to Camera Roll options. Save original photos. Automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. Save story to gallery. Automatically save your story to your phone's gallery. So once you toggle both on, all the photos, videos, and stories that you take on Instagram will be automatically saved to your gallery. So that's it. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it with your friends who might benefit from it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated with more content like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.